Good day. Using the calendar of December 2021, can you find the specific date for A, B, C, and D? This will be our lesson today. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the specific date of a certain day. The missing dates that we are looking for will be represented by the English alphabet. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, or F. Naintindihan ba natin, class? Letter A represents January 2, 2021. Why January 2? After January 1, 2 is the next date. B is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Letter B represents January 9, 2021. Letter D is equal to B plus 7, which is 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Therefore, D is equal to 16. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. That represents January 15, 2021. What is the specific date for letter E? Anyone? 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. What is the specific date for letter F? Yes, of course, 20 plus 1 is equal to 30. Ngayong alam niyo na kung paano natin isusolve ang mga specific dates, kayo na ang susunod. I have prepared 11 questions for you. Get ready. Question number 1. Can you find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D? For A, we have February 1, 2021. For letter B, we have February 8, 2021. For letter C, it's my birthday, February 15, 2021. And the last one is 15 plus 7 is equal to February 22. Next one is for the month of March. We are looking for the last week of March. Can you find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D? For letter A, it must be what date? Let's take a look with the date above letter A. It's 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. Therefore, letter A is representing March 28, 2021. Paano naman natin makukuha ang petsa ng letter B ng mabilisan? Simple lang, 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. At ang susunod ay gaya din ng letter B, it's 29 plus 1 is equal to 30. And D is the last day of the month for March. 31st is the last day for the month of March. Now, we are on the 4th month of 2021, which is April. As usual, we are looking for the specific dates for A, B, C, and D. I'm pretty sure you were able to figure it out already. What is the date before letter A? You find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D. The date before letter A is April 5, therefore, A represents April 6, 2021. Letter B, of course, represents April 13. Letter C represents April 20. Letter D represents April 27. Ano ang petsa na sa letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D? We find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D. Ano ang petsa sa letter A? May 2nd is correct. Letter B is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. C is 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Letter D is equal to 23. Now we have the 6th month of the year, June. Can you find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D? After June 1st is letter A. Therefore, A is June 2, 2021. How about letter B? Anong petsa ang letter B? June 9, 2021. Anong petsa naman ang letter C? Mula sa B na 9, bababa tayo ng isang linggo. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Add one day, that becomes June 17. Now we are on the 2nd half of the year, July. Can you find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D? Unahin muna natin ang pinakamabilis. Letter D. Letter D is July 24. Ang isusunod natin ay ang letter B. Dahil pabalik tayo, we will minus 7 from 18. 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Therefore, letter B represents July 4th, 2021. Now, let's find a specific date for letter C. Dahil ang BIC ay mula sa iisang linggo, ang kailangan nyo lang ay bilangin pagkatapos ng letter B hanggang letter C. Ilang araw pa bago mag-C? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Therefore, C is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to July 9. Now, let's find out the value of letter A. From letter C, we have to move backwards. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Therefore, letter A represents July 1. Letter B is July 4. Letter C is July 9. And letter D is July 24th, 2021. The 8th month is August. We find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D. Sa ganitong senaryo, alin ang uunahin natin? Is it D? Is it B? C? Or A? Sa inyong palagay, ano kaya ang uunahin natin? Pwede nating unahin ang letter D. 28 minus 7 is equal to 21. Therefore, letter D represents August 21, 2021. At ano naman ang isusunod natin? What I'd like to do next is letter C. Ito tayo mag-umpisa sa letter D, which is 21. Mag-backward tayo with 1 day. So, 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. Backward ulit ng 7 days. 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. Now, let's find the specific date of letter A. From letter C, we'll be moving backward 1 day. 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Letter A represents August 5, while letter B stands for 3 days after. So, August 8 is for letter B. September is the 9th month of the year. We find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D. Start solving letter A. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. September 9 is for letter B, represents September 12. After 5 days, we have September 17. And after 4 days, D becomes September 21. And that completes September. Now, let's have October, the 10th month of the year. We find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D. Two days after October 2 is October 4. Find the specific date of letter B. We will start with letter A. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Then we have to move backwards. So it's 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Letter B represents October 10. The specific date of letter C is equal to 10 plus 5, which is 15. After 4 days, we have letter D. Letter D is equal to October 19. Now we have the second to the last month of the year, November. We find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D. After November 6 is November 7. A represents November 7, 2021. From 7, we have to move forward 1 day, plus 7 is equal to 15. To find letter C, we have to start counting the day after 15. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. For letter D, we have 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Now the 12th month of the year, December. We find the specific date of the month indicated by A, B, C, and D. In finding A, I will start with 1. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. Therefore, A represents December 14, 2021. In finding B, I would like to start working with A. If A is 14, plus 7 is equal to 21, minus 2 is equal to 19. Therefore, B is 19. In finding C, we have to add 5 days to letter B. Therefore, 19 plus 5 is equal to December 24. Finding letter D, we have to add 4 days to letter C. Therefore, 24 plus 4 is equal to December 28. 4 days na lang. Happy New Year! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.
Thank you, Sir Edward, for your dedication, patience, and time for mentoring Elijah and all the IVFC kids. It means so much to us parents. We are very lucky to be part of your IVFC family. Your advocacy to help children to be their best in solving math problems is very helpful. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you po, sir, sa matyagang pagtuturo sa amin araw-araw. Madami po ako natutunan na technique simula sa mali po ako sa IVFC. Ito po ay nakatulong sa akin.
Hello everyone, my name is Isel S. Maganda from Guevara Elementary School. I am 10 years old. I live in Guevara, La Paz, Tarlac. Thank you, Sir Edward, for being a good mentor. mga kids, join na kayo sa IVFC Free Math Tutorial by Sir Edward Agdepa.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ginang Rizalin S. Magadya. Lubos na nagpapasalamat sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children IVFC na kung saan ang aming mentor ay si Sir Edward Agdepa. Ako nga po pala ay taga-Lapas Tarlac. At Sir Edward, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtatyagang pagtuturo sa aming mga anak. Ang sabi niyo nga sa aking anak na walang hihinto hanggat walang ginto.
With much pride, I am presenting you the IVFC kids who were awarded in the first International Vedic Math Competition, which was held last September 11, 2021. IVFC kids, congratulations! Ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan at huwag hihinto habang walang ginto. For parents who are interested with our program, kindly search on our FB page called IVFC Info page. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Join po kayo.